Hello guys, this is how to add admins to your Facebook. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So the first step, you would have already logged into your Facebook account and you'll be on the home page. And what you're going to go ahead and do is to locate the Meta business suite. And then you're going to go ahead and click on that. It should be on the tools on the left hand side. And once you get to that page, you're gonna go ahead and click on all tools on the left hand side. So then we're gonna go ahead and click on page settings and just go ahead and locate that on that page right there. Found it. Let's go ahead and click on it. So once that page loads up, you're gonna go ahead and click on new pages experience. And that should take you to the manage and view access. So from here, you can add people that are going to be able to have access to your Facebook. So if you want to add someone else to have access to your Facebook, to administrate your Facebook, you can go ahead and click on add new right there. Just click on next. And then you'll search the person's profile on there. Let's go with the Charlize Theron. There we go. And then once I click on the person's profile and I click on give access, an email will be sent to them, notifying them that I've requested for them to become an admin on the page, and then they'll go ahead and accept. You also have the option of giving the person full access, and you can also pick, depending on what you want from the individual. You can pick the access that the person has on the Facebook page in terms of what they can do and what they can't do. So that's it. It is that quick and it is that easy to add an admin onto your Facebook. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.